Everyone, welcome to the channel. So in the last video we have learned about methods related to string and functions. So in this tutorial we will learn about string slicing in Python, which is a very important concept and very useful in Python. So whether you are dealing with text processing or extracting substrings or reversing string, this concept is an essential skill for every Python programmer. Okay. So we will start with some introduction first and understanding string index. So as we see in list, the index start from 0 and from the reverse it will start from -1. So if we have a string, let's say Python is fun, so the index of p will be 0, y will be 1, like that it will go until 10, right? Same if we read this string from the end, the index will start from -1 to -11, -1, -2, -3, like that. Okay, same concept with the list or tuple, anything. So they follow the same kind of concept. The indexing from the start it will be 0 and from the end it will be -1. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, next is, what is string slicing? Basically it is extracting a portion of the string using some indices, right? Though we have some methods and functions in string to get the index and all, but string slicing we can use, like we can provide a start index, we can provide a end index, and then we can provide the step. Okay, so start is nothing but the from where we want to start the slicing, okay, from a string, and this is inclusive, means it will include that particular index when you put here. So let's say you want to start from index 1, so slicing will include that character in that index. Okay, end means till where you want to go for slicing, means where you want to stop it. It is exclusive. Exclusive means if you put end as 9, so it won't take the character at 9th index, it will take till 8. That is exclusive. And step is if you want to do some kind of means if you want to leave some characters in between, then you can put that step size. Okay, let's say you want to take every second character, so you can put step size as 2. Okay, now there can be positive index and there can be negative index, means these values can be positive as well as negative. So positive means it will go from the start to end, means from a string it will go from left to right. Okay, so here it will go in this direction, Python is fun, like that. Okay, okay, and if we go negative index, if we put negative index, it will go from right to left, means it will go from here N U F S I, like that. Okay, from the reverse basically. So positive means from start to end and negative means end to start, like that. So for example, we have a text Python, okay, and if we write text and slice 0:3, we don't have any step here, so it's fine. So 0 means P and 3 means if you count 0, 1, 2, 3 H, so we will get only P by T, not the H. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, so now let's see some of the example. Okay, let's say we have some text, same text I'll use, Python is fun. Okay, now I want to extract some character here, let's say text, and the same example I will give you, 0, 3, it will give us 0, 1 and 2, not the 3, so P by T basically. Okay, we can start from some middle also. Okay, let me put another example. let's say you want to start from 3, we want to get till 6. So it will be starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, start from H till 6. So 4, 5, 6 means till this space. Okay, now if we run this, we will get start from H, O, N, and there is a space character also. Okay, we are not seeing it. Let me put something like this, then we'll see. 3 to 6, right? 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll get till N only because 6 is exclusive. Okay, if I put here I, now we will get I also. Okay, like this. Let's see some example of negative index. Same text we have. Python is fun. Let's say we want to print something, text. We start from -1 to -5. Okay, so if you can guess what it will print, let me show you. So -1 is a start, so it will start from reverse. Minus means from n, -1 till -5 exclusive. -1, -2, -3, then space -4. S is -5, it won't include S, so we will get NUF basically. Okay, if you are giving negative index, we need to put some step also, because otherwise it will be always in the positive step and it won't work, because positive means it will go from -1 to the right side, because positive means left to right. Okay, that's why we need to give some index like -1. Okay, something like this. Now in positive index, if we write print, okay, text, and if we write 3 colon and after that there is nothing, it means it will go till the end of the string basically. If nothing is there, it means it is the end. So it will start from index 3 means 0, 1, 2, it will start from H till N. This whole thing it will print. Okay, the whole thing. This is empty, it means it will go till the end. Now same, if we reverse it like this, if we don't have anything here and if we put something here, it means it will start from the 0 index and it will go till index 4. 4 means 4 minus 1 basically 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. It will print PYTH. Okay, PYTH like this. Same thing with this, with negative index also. Let's say we have -3 and then nothing is here. Okay, so -3 means it will start from -3. So -1, -2 and -3. Okay, and then it will go till the end. So it will print like this. See, -3 to, then it will go to the right because there is nothing. If we put -6 here and if we put -1 as a step, means no character will live. So it will start from F, -1, -2, -3 till -6, -3, -4, -5. So it will print as F space S basically, this one. See, so if you leave it, it will go to the right side. Okay, then it will print as fun, -3 and then here. But if we give other minus index, it will go this side. Okay, if you want to reverse a string, simply we can do here print. Reversing string is very easy. So if we give nothing and if we give a step of -1, then it will reverse our string. Okay, this is used to reverse a string. It is very simple. So now in the real case scenario, let's say you want to check if a string is palindrome or not. So what you can do, we can just check text is equal to the reverse. Okay, so text is the actual string and it will be the reverse. If both are equal, it means it is palindrome. Okay, we can print it. So it is false. Let's say our text equal to is madam, which is a palindrome. Now if we try, see, so in one liner you can just check whether it is a palindrome or not instead of writing whole lines of code. Okay, so like this slicing will work. Okay, so in the next section I will give you some more example on this and some real world example, like get the country code or domain name from email ID or get the extension from file name, which will be very helpful in our day-to-day Python coding. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.